Okay guys, so I did my brows off camera. They looking a little crazy because I haven't got my eyebrows done and I want to say like almost 2 months, so they like growing out. So I usually sometimes I'll usually just do the bottom of my brow and then put on my foundation and then like, put the top, like finish it off so that way the foundation doesn't mess up the brows. But I didn't feel like doing all of that on camera, so I just did my brows on camera. I'm going to prime my face using the e.l.f. This is the Poreless Flawless Primer. I think I said it all wrong. I think it is. It's Poreless. Yeah, Poreless Face Primer. There we go. So to conceal my under eyes, I'm using this Click Concealer, Coverage Concealer from Absolute New York. I'm using, this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and this is in color Cocoa. I'll be putting a lot of this on because it's not really full coverage in my opinion. So I usually just stack it on. So a technique that I love to do, I like to take a foundation brush and just like not apply it, but just move the foundation on the face. I kind of just blend it in. And then I like to take a Real Technique sponge and just kind of just blend it in even more. Sorry, it's been so long since I did a video, so I'm just like very rusty. But the reason why I like to do this because I feel like even when I use a beauty blender or a Real Technique sponge and I use that to apply my foundation, I feel like it picks up too much of the product and I catch myself having to apply more foundation or whatever the case may be to kind of give me that full coverage. So I find that when I use a foundation brush and I just kind of just move the product around, spread it around, and then at first it looks like, oh my god, it's so much foundation. But when you keep, when you take the little beauty blender or Real Technique sponge, whatever sponge you use, e.l.f., whatever company it is, you just use that to kind of just blend it in more and just take that excess foundation off. So now I'm gonna go in with my Real Technique sponge and I'm just gonna blend this out even more. You see, so it's like it doesn't, I feel like since I use the brush to kind of spread and I guess apply the foundation on, it just works better with the beauty blender. Beauty blender, Real Technique sponge, whatever. It just works better. So I'm gonna take my HD Flawless. This is a foundation and this is in color Caramel. And I like to use this to clean up the bottom of my brows and also to conceal my lids. Okay, so I'm gonna take my Real Technique sponge and I'm just gonna blend that out. Okay, and then I like to take my Nye Banana Powder and I just use that to set my eyes. Okay, I didn't know what look I wanted to do, so I'm gonna go in with this Juvias Place. This is the Saharan palette, which I absolutely love. I'm gonna go in with this shade called Jamila. So now I'm taking this palette, another palette from Juvias Place, and this is the Afrique. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Probably just jack that all up, but anyway. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. This is Cameroon. So I'm gonna go back in with, okay, so I'm bad at like naming the brushes, This is my BH Cosmetics. This is the blending brush that I was using to put on Jamila. I'm just gonna use this to kind of blend out Cameroon into Jamila, kind of just make that nice little sunset, I guess, vibe going on here. So now I'm gonna take still that fluffy brush and I'm gonna go into Cameroon because I kind of want to make it a little bit more darker and kind of fluff it out more. I think I got it where I want it to be. So now I'm gonna use, this is the So Susan Color Trip High Intensity Color Pigment, and this is in shade Mysterious. Put this over my lid. Okay, I'm gonna take my blending brush and I'm just going to blend this so it just kind of just blends well. I'm going to take my setting spray and I'm gonna use that to set the pigment. So for mascara to prep my lashes, this is the Ultimate Volume Nano from Marcelli. I'm gonna contour. This is the Black Radiance Cream, True Complexion Cream Contour, and this is in medium to dark. And I always use the contour part. So to conceal, I'm using the Colourpop. This is the No Filter concealer. So when I brought it, this is Golden 40. When I brought it, I was like, oh yeah, this is why I don't like to buy foundations and concealers offline. I was like, oh yeah, this matches me. I can use this to conceal. And then like I pulled it and I was like, yeah, this is good. This is perfect. But it's actually really, really light. But I'll show you guys how I deal with those issues when the concealer is way too light. See, it's just like this is a lot. Like this is a lot right now. So yeah, next time I buy, I'm probably gonna do a shade a little bit darker because yeah. But I don't like to waste makeup, and the great thing about makeup is that there's always little tricks to fix things. I'm gonna go in with my banana powder from Nye. So my trick to covering up, let's say you buy a concealer that's way too light and you look like this. So what I do is I take a powder, a loose powder, any type of powder that's the same complexion as me, or just a tad bit, just like a tad bit, a little bit darker than me, but usually the same complexion as me. And I just go over the places that I concealed. I'm gonna go in with, this is the Iman Luxury Pressed Powder, and this is Earth Medium. And now I'm gonna take, this is from BH Cosmetics. This is a, I think this is a, like a face brush. And I'm just gonna dust that banana powder off. Then I'm gonna put this powder right in that area to kind of calm it down a little bit. Kind of want the same effect that I have here, down here. Now I'm gonna go into the Afrique, I don't, you know what palette I'm talking about. I'm gonna go into that, and I'm gonna go in with the Cameroon shade. And I'm just gonna put that right on top of the orange to kind of create this like little effect here. Now I'm gonna take that same mascara and I'm just gonna do my bottom lashes. So I'm gonna put glue on my lashes. I'm using the Kiss. These are the double layer number 4. So this is the Ruby Kiss Never Touch Up Matte Finish powder, foundation powder, and this is in color Cognac. So for blush, I'm gonna use, this is the BH Cosmetics Nude Blush, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. So now my favorite part, my favorite part. This is absolutely my favorite part, and it's highlight. So I'm gonna use, this is the Nicka K New York Perfection highlighter, and this is in color Inca. I just like, oh my god, like look at that. This will have you like beaming from here to fucking Mars. Excuse my French. I'm gonna take my big fluffy fan brush, and I kind of just like to just blend in the contour, the blush, and the highlighter all together so it blends so nice. I like low-key want to put something on the inner corner of my eyes, but I don't know if I should just leave it. You know what? I am gonna put something here. So I'm gonna the Juvias palette, you know. I'm gonna use, ooh, excuse me, I'm gonna use the shade Kofi. I wasn't even recording the whole time. Oh my god, you guys, I wasn't, I thought I was recording. I wasn't freaking recording. I didn't record my lips. So I used the Milani. This is their matte lipstick. I don't know the exact name of it, but the color shade is 65 Glam Matte. And then I went on top with the House of Uni. This is their liquid lipstick. The shade I don't remember. They're gonna kill me because they sent me Resort, which was like a pigment. Marley was the other lipstick, and I can't think of the name of this one, but I'm gonna make sure that I put it in my description bar. They're gonna kill me. If you're watching House of Uni, I'm so sorry, don't kill me. So this right here, you guys, is the finished look, and I have to say I am happy with this. I didn't plan this the day before. I literally just sat here and freestyled, as you guys saw in the video. This video actually came out a little bit much better than my first video. My first video, I was all over the place. I dropped and broke my mirror. I spilled my powder all over my leggings. I was just all over the place. I was forgetting to get things. I had to keep stopping the video to go get it. Not that I didn't do it in this video too, because I did stop it a few times to go get stuff. But yeah, it's just been so long since I've done a video. I've kind of just lost inspiration and I just wasn't motivated and I got really, really lazy. So I promise that I'm going to be more consistent. I know I say that in every freaking video that I had put up, but I think I'm just gonna delete all my old videos off of YouTube and just start fresh. Like, this is gonna be the beginning. This video is gonna be a brand new beginning to me being more consistent on YouTube and putting out those makeup videos. I get asked all the time, like, oh my God, how did you do that eye look? Or can you please show me how you did this? Give me a tutorial. What makeup do you use? All this other stuff. So I just think it's best that I just get back on YouTube, make videos. But I hope that you guys love this look. I love it too because I just was not expecting this at all. So yeah. So I hope you guys love it. Make sure you comment. Let me know what other makeup looks you want to see. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Skyla_Zoe. Same thing for Twitter. And make sure you guys listen to me and my friend's podcast. We have a podcast. It's called For Who Podcast. I'll make sure to put the link to in the description bar. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it or love it. And yeah, leave me some love in the comment section. I'm waiting for the love. I need some love. I need some inspo, some motivation. So yeah, I'm done talking. Bye guys.